Wearing heels to school. Expectation.
These are my dream shoes. I can't wait till I can wear them to school.
With these shoes, everyone will be sure to notice Amy.
I feel so confident I can go to school now.
That's right, Amy. Now hurry to your class. Wearing heels to school. Reality.
These are my dream shoes. I can't wait till I can wear them to school.
What cute shoes. But will you be able to walk in those?
I feel so confident now I can go to school.
Amy, are you sure you're okay in those?
Oh, darn, it's so hard to stand in these shoes. I need to practice.
Alright, try one more time.
How am I gonna walk in school like this?
Practice makes perfect.
Oh, man, I can't walk with these shoes. I give up. I'll just wear my sneakers.
That's okay, Amy. Those shoes are much better for going to school.
I feel more comfortable with my sneakers.
And they still look stylish.
Time for school.
Preparing for exams. Expectation.
I have to study really hard for the exam tomorrow.
Exams are a huge part of college.
Hey John, what's up?
Oh, hey Max, do you want to hang out with me? I'm playing cards.
Oh, I can't have to study for exam tomorrow.
You can study after.
I can't study after. I need as much time as I can.
Okay. So talk to you later then. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Max sure is responsible.
Yes, I got an A!
Hard work does pay off after all. Preparing for exams. Reality.
I have to study really hard for the exam tomorrow.
That's right, Max. You want to do well on your exam.
Hey John, what's up?
Oh, hey Max, do you want to hang out with me? I'm playing cards.
I guess I could play for a little bit.
Oh, sounds really good. See you then. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Wait, Max.
I could study later.
Okay, if you say so.
Hey John.
Oh, hey Max, I have a new card.
Oh, awesome.
Let's play.
Let's do it.
You three?
Oh, Max, if you don't study, you won't do well on your exam.
Oh, I can't believe we played cards all night.
Great. No time to study or sleep?
It's 6:30. Oh, I'm gonna be late for the test.
Thank you, Miss Amy.
Hurry, Max, or Miss Amy will be mad.
Max, why are you so late?
Oh, sorry, Miss Amy. Thank you.
Better get started on your exam or you won't have time to finish.
I know I saw this. I think you're supposed to solve for X.
Maybe playing cards all night wasn't the best idea, was it?
Oh man, I was up way too late playing games last night.
Oh well, you'll get it right next time. Getting ready. Expectation. Another day of learning awaits.
Time to start my day.
Max always wakes up early to make sure he has everything.
Get these together. And then
Gotta organize everything before you go. Make everything nice and neat.
top. Go.
There we go. Max always makes extra time to pack everything nicely.
Alright, ready to go.
Getting ready. Reality. Still sleeping, Max? Isn't it time to go?
Oh, I didn't hear my alarm. Oh no, class starts in 10 minutes.
Better hurry up.
Oh no.
Max, you don't have any time to
be
wait.
late.
Pack up fast. What a mess. But you don't have time to organize. You will barely make it to class.
I need to hurry.
Better set an alarm next time. Studying with friends. Expectation. They say 2 heads are better than 1. And what better way to study than with a friend?
Max, do you have the notes for chapter 7?
Oh yeah, right here.
I don't understand this part about the blood test. Can you explain it to me?
Yeah, that's really easy. Look. So if it's from 30...
By reviewing together, they make sure to go over all of the notes.
Oh, I get it now. Thanks, Max. Studying with you is so helpful.
Alright, so we studied everything, so we should be able to get an A on the test tomorrow.
Yeah, studying for this exam together was a great idea.
Studying with friends. Reality. Truth is, friends can be distracting sometimes.
I'm bored. I can watch videos.
But Amy, we need to study. We have a test tomorrow.
Calm down. It's one video. Plus, it's really interesting.
Whatever. I'm gonna keep studying. Oh, that video looks interesting. No, but I have to study. Oh, but that video is so funny.
Oh no, Max, don't get distracted.
Oh, you like this video too, Max? Do you want to watch more?
Yeah.
Wait, but what about the test?
We can study later.
Okay.
Max? Amy, you guys have work to do. Doing homework. Expectation. After a long day at school, homework awaits.
Alright, let's get this homework finished up.
Max is such a good student, he's doing all of his work as soon as he gets home.
Now I'm done. It only took me 30 minutes. Now I can chill.
Max has the rest of the day to do what he wants. Doing homework. Reality. Class felt so long today and Max has so much to do.
It's not that much. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna go get a snack.
Can't get much done in an empty stomach.
Got my snack. Oh, I could play one game.
Well, one game shouldn't be too bad. But don't forget your work, Max. Max!
It's 9 o'clock. Oh, I gotta do the homework.
Oh, Max, will you ever stop procrastinating? You always do your work last minute.